Hello everyone, as you may have guessed, waffling on at you about different methods and ingredients to use while you're out with your Trangia is not my day job. I do have a day job. In fact, I have two. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people, productions, places, and I also work for a company that owns and operates a tool ship. And for the past couple of months, our skipper has been busy making a new mast, quite a lot of logistics involved and an awful lot of sawdust. And today it went back onto the boat. Hopefully a little insight for you guys as to what I do as a day job. Being as I remembered to take a time lapse of it, here's 28 seconds of joy. Cheers and gone.